One of your part two questions will ask you to create a two-step equation with a solution of -4. Then it will say prove your solution is correct. So the important thing to remember with a two-step equation is that you are doing two operations to your solution, right? Because if we think of a two-step equation, right, 2x plus 1 equals 10, right? That's saying that x is being multiplied by 2 and then adding 1. So the easiest way to do this, in my opinion, is to take your solution that you're given. You're going to multiply it by a number. So pick any number besides 1. So let's pick 2. 2 times -4 gives me -8. Now I'm going to add any number besides 0. So let's add 5. Which gives me an answer of -3. So now when you have a two-step equation, it usually looks something like this with the blanks filled in. Well, you would say, okay, well, what are my blanks going to be? The blanks are going to be the things that we did to your solution to get our answer of -3. So I did 2 times my number, and then I added 5 to get -3. So my proof that I did this correctly is now I'm going to solve this equation. If I subtract 5 from both sides, I get -8 equals 2x. Divide by 2, and you get x is equal to -4. You can do this in a variety of different ways, right? There are infinite number of solutions because you can multiply -4 by anything. I could do -4, I could do 10 times -4 plus 10, right? And that's going to give me -30. I replace the -4 with x, and there's my two-step equation that if I was going to solve, I would end up with -4, right? Another one I could do. 5 times -4 plus 1 equals, that's going to give me -19 when I calculate. Replace the -4 with x, right? All of these are two-step equations that have a solution of -4, right? So it is simpler than you think, right? Just make sure that you review the different strategies that you can use to get an equation.